Hey there, home organizers! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of decluttering and organization. Ready to tackle the chaos in your life? I know it can feel overwhelming, but trust me, you're not alone in this journey. Today, I'm diving into the 5 harsh truths about decluttering that no one talks about, but you absolutely need to know. These truths might be tough to hear, but they are essential for setting realistic expectations. Truth number 1. Decluttering is emotionally exhausting. It's not just about getting rid of stuff, it's about dealing with the memories and emotions attached to those items. We often underestimate the emotional weight of our possessions. Each item holds a story, a memory, and sometimes even a piece of our identity. Each item holds memories, good or bad, and letting go can feel like saying goodbye to a part of yourself. It's okay to feel a sense of loss or nostalgia. Prepare for an emotional roller coaster and give yourself grace throughout this process. It's important to acknowledge these feelings and allow yourself to process them. Truth number 2. It takes longer than you think. Decluttering isn't a quick fix. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you think you can declutter your entire home in a weekend, think again. It's a process that requires time, patience, and persistence. Sorting through years of accumulated stuff is a time-consuming task. You'll need to sort, categorize, and make decisions on each item. Be realistic about your timeline and break it down into manageable chunks. Set small, achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Truth number 3. Decluttering can get messy before it gets better. Your space might look like a disaster zone initially. When you're pulling everything out of closets and drawers, your space might look worse initially, but hang in there. This chaos is a sign that you're making progress. The mess is part of the process and a sign that you're making progress. It's like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. It has to go through a messy phase first. Truth number 4. You might feel regret. It's natural to second-guess your decisions, especially when it comes to sentimental items. Yes, sometimes you'll get rid of something and later wish you hadn't. It happens. But remember, the goal is to create a space that serves you now, not to hold on to the past. But remember, the goal isn't to second-guess every decision. Trust your initial judgment. You made those choices for a reason. And finally, truth number 5. Decluttering is just the beginning. The real challenge is maintaining that clutter-free space. Once you've cleared out the clutter, maintaining an organized space requires ongoing effort. It's about creating new habits and routines. Implement new habits to keep your home tidy and resist the urge to reaccumulate stuff. Regularly assess your space and make adjustments as needed. So there you have it. These are the 5 harsh truths about decluttering that no one talks about, but everyone should know. 5 harsh truths about decluttering that no one talks about. Knowing these can help set realistic expectations and make the process a little less daunting. Ready to get started? Take it one step at a time, and remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more organizing tips. Happy decluttering! Together we can create spaces that bring us joy and peace.